These are crabs. Welcome to Madhurima's kitchen. I'm not going to share any recipe. Already I shared the crab recipe, but today I am going to show you how to clean the crab. Basically, when you are buying a crab, just put it in freezer, not in the deep freezer, so that it will die, and after that it will be very easy to clean. So just follow the step, don't skip the video. This is how you have to clean. Actually, I'm staying at Jadavpur, and here if I'll buy the crab, after that to cut it, they used to charge me 30 to 50 rupees. So that's why I learned it. It's not from YouTube, but basically from the people who are actually clean and cut the crab. So I learned from them. And this is the hamandisa because the shell is very hard. So that's why I have to remove the shell. In prawns, you have to devein it, and here there will be a black portion you can see. So you have to remove that. That is not you cannot eat, so have to be very careful. And just a couple of days back I shared the recipe of beach style crab. So now after you cut and clean the crab in this way, you can try that recipe at home. So you have to remove this part, and very carefully. The bigger the crab is, the shell is very hard, so that's why it's better to go for the smaller one. And if you're going for the bigger one, this is the same process, you can do it. So now you learn how to basically clean and cut the crab, and now you can easily prepare any kind of recipe. Thank me later. So you can place food order in Madhurima's kitchen. As you know, you can find me in Facebook, Instagram and Google. You can get my contact number, and I want to see that how easily you can clean the crab. So see you soon.